I guess the other thing that gets me is these gloves that you're potentially introducing into your food processing plant, especially ready-to-eat foods like this. They potentially are affecting the testing system. So we've got this fully cooked pork that's been recalled. I think it's up to 2.3 million pounds now as subject to recall, but no one's got sick. So it begs the question, where is that contamination coming from? And it's potentially from the glove. And it could even be the person who's testing is wearing a dirty glove, which is then creating this recall. Really interesting story. When we first started this testing process, we used a number of labs all around the US, and one of them came back with a contamination on one of our gloves, quite a bad contamination. And we went back to the factory who were dealing with us in Malaysia in this particular case, and they said, no, our test samples that they keep are perfect, there's no problems. So I went back, and long story short, the glove that the testing lab was using to test our gloves was contaminated.